الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أما بعد. In continuation of our class, so we stopped at this letter, which is what? Kha. We stopped at letter Kha. We stop here. So today we are going to take 4 letters more, which is this, 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 and this. But before we continue, let's look at the other letters from the beginning. We have Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha. Now today, we want to look at the following letters, some of the following letters. The first one is this one, which is Dal. Dal. Let's note how this letter looks like. It looks like a greater down sign. A greater down sign. So without a dot. If it does not has a dot, then it is Dal. But if it has a dot, the other one, because when we look at these letters of Arabic, they arrange them in a way of putting letters that look alike side by side. Look for the case of ba, ta, tha, and for the case of jim, ha, kha. You can see that jim, ha, kha looks alike, ba, ta, tha looks alike. It's only dot that differentiates ba, ta, and tha from one another. Also, for the case of jim, ha, and kha. The same thing is also applicable here when we have dal and the other letter zal. So the other letter is this. That letter, you can see that it has a dot. It is called zal. What do I call it? Zal. Zal. It's a letter that has a transliteration of, this is the transliteration, D-H-A-L. Zal. That is zal. How do we pronounce zal? The same way we pronounce the letter of tha, that is how we are going to pronounce the letter of zal. By placing the upper teeth, our upper teeth on our tongues. We are going to place our upper teeth on our tongue. So that's how we are going to pronounce zal. Zal. But the only difference between zal pronunciation and that of tha, it is the way we wouldn't allow the passage of here in the case of pronouncing zal. But when we pronounce tha, we allow the passage of here between our upper teeth and our tongue. But here, since it is zal that we are pronouncing, we wouldn't allow any passage of what? Of here. So we're now going to say zal, 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 and not tha. Do you understand? But zal, that is how it is pronounced. Zal, zal. So the next letter is what? Ra. Ra. That is written transliterated as this. Ra. Each and every one of us can pronounce that one. Then the next one is what? Is this letter. So many people say Zain. No. So you pronounce it Zai. This is the transliteration. Zai. Z-A-Y. Zai. 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 And do not say Sai. No. Zai. Zai. So now, let's take it again. Dal. Zal. Ra. Zai. Let's take it from the back. Zai. Ra. Zal. Dal. You can see Ra looks like a comma, and Zai is the what? The other way around, meaning the same way but with a dot. So that made it different from Allah. So now let's move to the exercise portion of our class. Now, this is where we are moving to. This is the exercise that we are looking at today. From here down here. Let's start. The first letter is what? Dal. Next one, kha, tha, alif, jim, ha, dal, dhal, zay, tha, kha, ha, zay, ra, ba, dal, jim, ra, dhal, zay, dhal, tha, zay, ha, dal, kha, and ta. Alhamdulillah. Barakallahu fikum. That's the end of that class. So do not forget to submit your assignment, reciting all these words one after the other in a voice note. Barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.